Want to do?
Just pick some flowers.
Oh, I don't want to pick flowers. Do you want to sing a song?
I got you some flowers.
Don't move. Do you want to sing a song with Mommy?
No,
How about we say the alphabets?
I can't.
How about if we do it together? Okay?
No.
1, 2, 3, go.
A,
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Won't my mommy be so proud of me?
Mom,
What?
you're about to sing a little.
Little star, twinkle, twinkle, little star, up above. I don't think that's the way it goes. Okay, let's sing a song that we both know. How do we say hello in Spanish?
Hola.
Oh, hola, hello, Easton. How do we say goodbye in Spanish?
Adios.
Adios. Good job. How do we say thank you in Spanish?
Adi.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Good job. Can you count in Spanish?
Uno, dos, cuatro,
You forgot Trey. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
cuatro,
Right. How do you say bear in Spanish?
I don't know.
You can't remember?
No, I can't.
El oso.
And also,
El oso.
I'm falling.
Really?
Yeah.
But I've got you. Can you feel me?
No,
Yes.
I don't see you.
Don't move. Okay. Well, let's count and then we'll be done. Okay?
No, I want no.
Say bye.
Bye.
Adios.
Adios.
Smile.
Say hi to everybody,
Make
though.
a mad face. Make a mad face. Make a happy face. Make a sad face. Make a scared face.
Scared face. Say bye to say hi to everybody, like Robbie and Jake and Azaria and
Okay,
Bear.
let's say hi to everybody and then we're done, okay? Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
Hello, Robbie.
Hello, Robbie.
Hello, Bear.
Hello, Bill.
Hello, Amanda.
Hello, Amanda.
Hello, Jake.
Hello, Jake.
And Azaria.
Hello, Jaria.
I hope you liked our show. Adios.
Adios.